Hello, good morning. My name is Jordi Prat and I'm going to talk about shaping static magnetic fields. I am doing the PhD in the electromagnetism group in the physics department of Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, Bellaterra. This is a theoretical group which studies and develops models of superconductivity, magnetism, nanotechnology, and so on. My research and my PhD is based and is focused on controlling static magnetic fields to obtain interesting effects. My research is based on analytical studies, and it is also completed with numerical simulations. The first aim was to study and to develop a magnetic cloak to obtain magnetic invisibility or magnetic undetectability. This cloak would consist of a shell made of a certain material that deviates magnetic fields around so that you could put any magnetic material inside, and neither the object placed inside nor the cloak would cause external field distortion, so that the whole set would be magnetically undetectable. The second aim was to study and to develop a magnetic field concentrator to concentrate magnetic fields and to obtain other interesting effects like the transmission of magnetic energy. Well, to study these two phenomena, these two devices, we use a mathematical technique which is called transformation optics, and this technique tells you the materials that you need to use to obtain a certain, a particular control. Suppose that you desire that magnetic fields describe a certain path, for example this, then you have to find the space transformation so that in the transformed space, the magnetic field describes the desired path. Then this theory gives you the receipt, tells you which materials you have to put so that the magnetic fields propagate in such the desired way. Then we applied this technique to design a magnetic cloak. In this case, we concentrated the space, the interior space, in this intermediate region, and then we also expanded this small point to keep continuity. Doing so, we could propose a magnetic cloak, and we also proposed discretized versions of this magnetic cloak which could be made with real and actual materials. And this work was published in 2011 in New Journal of Physics. But then we went one step further and we asked ourselves if we could propose a simpler version of a cloak. What we did was a study if a bilayer system consisting of only two layers, an interior superconducting one and an exterior ferromagnetic one, could cloak a particular kind of magnetic fields, in this case, uniform magnetic fields. Certainly we found exactly that this was possible. We built this cloak and we test, and we checked that this bilayer was magnetically undetectable from the exterior, and this work was published last year in Science. And this was related with the cloaking problem. The other problem, the concentrator, was also studied using this technique, transformation optics. In this case, what we did was a space compression of the space in the interior part, and then we expanded this small ring to keep continuity. Doing so, we found the materials that we would need to build this magnetic field concentrator. And this work was published a month ago in Physical Review Letters, where we demonstrated that this material, this concentrator, could be built also using real and actual materials. Using ferromagnetic and superconducting materials, we could achieve the magnetic field concentrator, and this could be also used to transmit magnetic energy from a source, for example, a magnet, and transmit this energy through empty space and concentrate in a given point, in a given distant point. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.